Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm at Burlington and I show you the purses in my last video. This one I'm going to share with you some of the wallet, shoes, clothes, and baby clothes. So this here I thought was so cute by Madden Girl. It's $10. It's like a pearl bracelet. It has two, like a coin purse and a card case on it. So I bought that. And then the Juicy Couture wallets are really cute. But I have enough wallets, and when I do buy wallets, I like to get the big wallets. I like to get the wallets that you could put like a check in without bending it, or even like a letter or something. You could just put stuff in it like coupons, and you don't have to worry about it bending. So I like large wallets. Now the only cute shoes I saw, they did have them in my size, and they are Minnie Mouse shoes. They are so cute. Look at these shoes. They look a little bit like Adidas, but they're Minnie Mouse. So I have to think about getting those. They're only $21. And then they have these flowy white pants with fringe down the side. And I haven't really got into like the big pants. Like I know they're really popular to have your pants real blousy. But I haven't got into that because I feel like they make you look bigger than what you are. And I don't want to look bigger than what I am. But anyway, these are some of the baby clothes. They're so cute. And mainly it's the baby girl clothes that are so cute. The boy clothes are usually not as cute, but I think that's how it is like our whole lives. Like the men's section at the store is usually pretty boring. And look at this little cheetah print. Comes with a little hair bow. It's just all so adorable. Like if you have a baby shower to go to, just grab a couple outfits. And usually the outfits go over really good, and everybody's like, oh, that's so cute. Little strawberry shortcake hat for a little kid is so cute. They have so many cute things at Burlington, and I like to shop at Burlington late so that I don't have a lot of people around me. Because some of these shopping channels, I don't know what time they go, but there's always like a crying baby in the video. But the time I shop, I never hear a crying baby, which is always a good day when you don't hear a crying baby.